Tips and tricks for building hydroponic systems. Unleash your inner engineer. 1. Plan it, grow it, blueprint for success. 2. Material magic, sturdy and waterproof choices. 3. Seal the deal, leaks? No thanks. 4. Pump up the flow, reliable water circulation. 5. Air affair, oxygenate with air stones. 6. Lighting showtime, energy efficient LEDs. 7. Nutrient know-how, follow dosage guidelines. 8. pH balancing act, keep plants in harmony. 9. Timing is everything. Set up automated schedules. 10. Monitor with care, stay vigilant for plant health. Congratulations, hydroponic engineers. Enjoy the thrill of building and nurturing your own thriving system. May your plants flourish, your creativity soar, and your hydroponic dreams come true. Happy building, and let the hydroponic magic begin.